dito. Actually, kinain ko ito gabi eh. Para hindi talaga ako marunong ano yan. And I'll just stick to what I wrote last night. And good morning, ayan, ako po si Katrina Pisuli from Castaneda. First time ko din pong matend ng capacity building seminar na ito. I want to express my gratitude sa mga organizers. Yan. Thank you for not just providing inclusive venue but overflowing food. Talagang hindi ko na makain yung mga pagkain dito. Sarap po. Ano ba yan?
Kinakabahan siya.
Thank you, yan. And also, of course, by sharing your practices that will enhance our ability to monitor and assess learners' performance, which of course aims for quality education. Yung mga speakers po natin is truly institution sa edukasyon, right? The sessions were engaging and the atmosphere was professional. And it's very welcoming, napaka-welcoming po ng atmosphere. Our commitment as a plenary is like, wala na ako yan.